Sarah, what you're still fiddling with your phone? Don't you know you have 2 days left for your exam?
Ma, I've studied everything. I just need to do a revision.
Every time you say this only, no?
Ma, but this time I've really finished. Go and make me some coffee. Go! Oh no, I have just 2 more days left for my exam. What am I supposed to do?
Don't worry, Sarah. I'm always with you. Like your last examinations, you can use me while writing your exams. I will give you all the answers. Don't worry.
Are you stupid? Don't you know that the government has announced that all the exams are gonna be offline and not online? I cannot take you to the school. I have to study now. Chee!
Hey, Sarah. This is Google. According to my calendar, tomorrow is your best friend Deepika's birthday. You should wish her now.
Oh my god, how can I forget Deepika's birthday? I should wish her right now. Thank you, Google. Where is my phone? Oh.
One day later.
Oh my god, I have just 1 day left for my exam. Should I study or should I...
Hey, Sarah. This is WhatsApp. Don't worry, you have 24 hours for your exams. I have a message for you. Please read it.
Oh, thank you, WhatsApp.
Two hours later.
Oh my god, I've spent 2 hours on WhatsApp. I should start studying right away.
I'm here.
Oh, my dear sweetheart, this is FB. Your best friend Ramu wants to connect to you. Please log in.
What? Ramu has messaged me? I was waiting for his message for a long time. I'm going to text him.
Sarah, come for dinner. You're still fiddling with this phone, huh?
Ma, that's my
You
phone.
know you have exams in 1 day.
Ah, I know, okay. Why did you throw my phone like that?
Come for dinner. It's 8.
It's 8? But I haven't studied anything. I cannot come for dinner. You go. A plus B the whole square. Oh, so boring.
Dear Sarah, this is Insta. Your cousin Rani has tagged you in her profile picture and she got 1500 likes for it. Go, comment it.
How can she get 1500 likes? I mean, I'm way more prettier than her. I'll take a picture and post it right away. Snapchat, take a beautiful picture of me.
Sure, Sarah.
See how beautiful these pictures are? What caption should I give? What? It's 3 already? But how? I mean, I'm feeling so sleepy, but I haven't studied anything.
It's my turn. Let me spread a rumor. Hey Sarah, don't you know what is trending now? The government has cancelled all the exams. You don't need to study anymore. Just enjoy, chill.
What? Wait, I mean, I was expecting some kind of miracle. It's finally happened. Now I can sleep peacefully. Book, come here.
Sarah, wake up. You don't want to go to school today. It's your exam.
Ma, haven't you heard the news? The government has cancelled all the exams.
See the newspaper. The exams are going. You have to go to school right now.
I saw it on Twitter.
All this rubbish, you know.
Ma, but I haven't studied anything. How can I write?
What kind of generation you people are? Instead of studying, you have wasted all your time in these apps. These apps are just for leisure purpose only, but not your life. Learn to prioritize your things. And don't waste your intelligence. Go for dumb. Got it?
Yeah.